Hello beautiful glam girls, glam fam, glam everyone. I'm so excited for today's video because we are doing 2022 Christmas or holiday wish list gift guide. I have so many amazing goodies from so many brands this year, and I'm really excited to share with you guys some of the amazing gift sets and just gift ideas that I have for your favorite beauty lover, everything lover, or yourself, because honestly, I feel like we're all in a place where we are just feeling like giving ourselves love. And so if I'm honest, this is a gift guide for your dang self and maybe for your mom and your sister and stuff like that. We have amazing gift ideas and little gift sets and bundles, and I cannot wait to share with you guys everything. So let's get started because I have so many things and I can talk. So I'm going to try to keep this under 20 minutes. Let's see if I can. So let's start with a budget-friendly option because I think that everyone could use a budget-friendly gift option that is great for someone that you may not know really well, maybe a coworker or a friend, or even if you're just on a budget and you still want to give something that's good, that's quality. I think that any person who loves beauty products would get use out of these. Even me, myself, I find these to be really cute. So MILANI has a collection with Rocio Roses, who is this Latinx, I'm assuming she's Latinx content creator. Has links to all of these goodies down below, but they have this beautiful collection with her and their little holiday gift sets that are themed. So this one is the Allure Gem set. This is only $15, and this one is also $15, $14.97. This one is the Luxe Jewel Kit, and I just love how pretty these look. They feel really good, like you feel like you're getting a lot for the bang for your buck. I love the colors, very holiday, and if you have a little bit more in your budget, you can get 2 of them, which would be even better for your family member or coworker. I think that these would be great for Secret Santa. If you have a $20 or under budget, this is amazing. Or if there's like a teenager in your life who loves beauty but you don't want to spend a lot of money, MILANI is a great drugstore brand, as you guys already know. I personally love MILANI, and I think these are great. And also support a Latinx brown girl because we need more support for us gals. And I love the way this palette looks. Like, look how pretty are these colors. You get these gorgeous emerald jewel tones. I cannot wait to use this, and I just think these would make amazing gift sets. Now, if you are someone who enjoys body products, if you know someone who enjoys body products, you know someone who really loves Bath and Body, but they won't spend any more money on themselves, they won't go to Sephora and buy the more expensive options, or if someone is already someone who spends a lot of money on beauty products, they will still love this. Because I don't know about you guys, I feel like people think, oh, they have so much makeup, like they wouldn't need makeup, they wouldn't need beauty. But like, yeah, we do, because we spend so much money on it that we're always excited to get something new that we don't have to buy. And even just re-upping on something that someone loves is a great gift. A great option is a nice set like this from KOPARI. So they have the new Pink Glow Exfoliating Body Polish. This has AHA and PHA and golden peptides and sea salt. So this is going to be really good for exfoliating the body, which is something so important this time of year. How pretty that is. So this is a great option, like I said, for the beauty lover in your life. And with a good exfoliator, you need a good body lotion. This is personally one of my absolute favorites. I just went through an entire jar of this that they sent me before. This is the Ultra Restore Body Butter with hyaluronic acid. So this moisturizer is so thick, so moisturizing. It's so thick and creamy. Do you see that bouncy consistency? It's so good for this time of year. Don't play that. We don't play ashy over here, okay? They will appreciate this. This stuff is so good, and it doesn't leave your skin greasy. Like, it actually moisturizes so nicely. So if you're looking to treat yourself or someone you love, I think getting them a nice set like this is really good. So if you have someone in your life who really loves hair products, or they like love to make their style last longer, they love for their blowout to last a while, maybe they get weekly blowouts and they really don't do their hair themselves, this is a great option. This is the AMIKA Peace, Love, and Perk Up Dry Shampoo Set, and I love this. Oh, she's ready to party. So there's a smaller one and then a full-size one. So this is great if you travel, but it's a great option for someone who likes to have their hairstyle last longer. And I think any glam girl who is someone who does a lot of hair, like, you know the person. Dry shampoo is just one of those products that if you do your hair a lot, you know it comes in handy once in a while. It's not something you want to use all the time, but sometimes you just need that extra day. This set is only $26. So this is really good for those Secret Santa Santas when you have $20, $30, $40 ranges. So if you are a glam girl or know someone who is a glam girl, I can't talk, and wears a lot of makeup, then you know she's obviously removing that makeup. And if you know that they're using makeup wipes, you might want to introduce them to something better. And the one thing that I'm obsessed with, I use this literally every single day to remove my makeup. It is my all-time favorite makeup remover, no bullshitting you. I love this company. I've done sponsored posts for them, and I have worked with them organically because I genuinely love them. Every event they have that they invite me to, I go to because I love them. Their team is so lovely. I love them. And it is Pharmacy Beauty, and they continually come out with these limited edition scents for the Green Clean Makeup Remover. And this is a cruelty-free, made with recyclable material, melts away excess oil, dirt, mineral SPF, long-wearing makeup, and it is just the best makeup remover ever. I swear to you. Swear, best makeup remover ever. And they always have these amazing sets. This is $46, which again is good if you're a Secret Santa and you're trying to get something that's in the $40 to $50 range, or if you want to spend a little bit extra money on someone who you know loves makeup and you're like, what makeup do they like? I don't know, there's so many options. Well, they do need a makeup remover. So this is a great option if you're shopping for someone who is a beauty lover and you don't know what to get them. They have to take it off at the end of the night, and this is an amazing option for a good price point because the other makeup removers I love are way more expensive. So if you're willing to spend a little bit more and you love this person, you know that they're a beauty lover, they're a little bit bougie, you know, this is the girl that probably has some designer bags and you're like, what do I get her? Laura Mercier has you covered with these adorable holiday sets. I love these. So this one is $40, and it is the Flawless Encounter Translucent Loose Setting Powder and Puff. Inside, you get the powder puff and the powder. So you get a beautiful powder puff. Look how pretty that is. It has the gold cap on it with the burgundy Laura Mercier here, and then this beautiful rose gold pink ribbon kind of motif packaging. So pretty, limited edition. Any glam girl who does her makeup knows about this Laura Mercier powder, either loves it or wants to try it. This is a great option for that person in your life who either loves makeup, or maybe they're getting into makeup and they've heard of this product because they either can't afford it yet or they don't feel like spending that much money. They would love this, especially in this beautiful limited edition packaging. They also have 2 other sets. I'm pretty sure there's a few other sets, but they sent me these 3. This is the Splendid Shimmers Caviar Stick Trio. I absolutely love these. I actually have the ones that they sent me, and these are really nice. They're like crayons that you use as eyeshadows. So this is what they look like. And it's just this beautiful crayon eyeshadow stick applicator. Literally applies so smoothly. Has beautiful shimmer, beautiful color payoff. Love shimmer sticks like this that have a beautiful easy application. So this is great even for someone who's not good with makeup. Makes a great stocking stuffer, or for a Secret Santa where you have a $30 spending limit. Anyone would love to get this, myself included. And then they also have the Cheek to Cheek Tinted Blush Duo, and this is $35. You get 2 of the tinted cheek blush moisturizers, which are so freaking pretty, and these are pretty much like full size. This is good for 18 months, so they will have this for a long time. Really pretty, full size, like I said. Let me show you guys what that looks like. Look how pretty that is. And this is a great option for the older person in your life. So if you have your mom or older sister, older aunt, even a grandmother, and they do like makeup, but they're kind of struggling maybe to find something that's better for mature skin, this is a great option for someone who likes natural makeup. Look how easy that is to apply. And this has good, you know, ingredients for skin. So it's good for the person who is more on the natural side, maybe just wants a nice, simple little cheek product to use to get ready for work, to keep in their purse. So if you are someone who knows the person that you're buying for and you know that they love skincare, they're really into trying skincare, and maybe they like love shopping at Target, this would be a great gift for them, because Versed is one of those really cool trendy brands at Target that's not expensive but also not super cheap. So if you're a teenager, you might not have the money to shop there, but you might really want to shop there or like buy those products. This is a great gift. This is the Skin Reset Holiday Kit, which mine is broken, forgive me. But this is really, really cool because it comes with the Just Breathe Clarifying Serum, which I'm a huge fan of. I have acne prone skin. I have a couple little breakouts that are healing right now. And you guys know that I also did a skin face shaving tutorial on my TikTok. So follow my TikTok. I'll put the little link or video or QR code, whatever, here. So you could just put your phone up to the screen and follow me on TikTok. I'll also leave the link down below for the actual video that I'm talking about. But I did a face shaving video and I showed you guys how I do it. And this is one of the products that I love to use when I shave my face and just in general for acne prone skin. It feels good. You know, it's something you could put in a nice box or bag and really feel like you're gifting the person something good. And then you can throw in like a little candle. They sent me this candle as well. I don't know if they sell this, but you could throw in like a candle with this, or like some fuzzy slippers, some fuzzy socks, maybe some little cute like hot cocoa packets. Target has a ton of like fun little Christmas hot cocoa, snowman marshmallows, and like little chocolate spoons, and they're super inexpensive, like $1-2. So for $40 you could get this and throw in some goodies in a Christmas bag, and you have an amazing gift that any Gen Zer will love, because they love Target, honey. So do I. Next we have some ColourPop goodies, and I'm not gonna show you every single thing I have here, but you guys know that ColourPop has amazing palettes and new collections all the time, and this one is really fun that I think would make a great gift for a Gen Zer or a millennial. And this is the CTRL plus alt plus glam palette, and this is like a 2000s Y2K inspired palette. Look how fun that is. Look at all those colors, the Y2K era, and I think this is so fun. ColourPop is known for their extremely pigmented eyeshadows, so if you are someone who's a little bit older and maybe you don't know, I'll tell you, ColourPop is amazing. So you could get a ton of ColourPop. You could buy like the whole collection, the palette, some of the lip liners, lipsticks, they have blushes, and they have a ton of different collections. If you guys know, then you could skip this part, but for the people who may not know, ColourPop is really affordable, great quality, and they do amazing collections. Disney Princess, Harry Potter, Star Wars, like all types of stuff. And if you know what your person is into, whatever they like, there's a ColourPop collection for them. So it's a great affordable way to get a bunch of stuff that any beauty lover would like. So if you have a little bit more money to spend, this is the gift that you would get for yourself or for your parent, maybe your mom, maybe your sister, your daughter who's a little bit older and really is into beauty, maybe someone who's 30 and over who needs, you know, heavy duty products, who are gonna do a little bit more than the cheaper stuff. ELEMIS is a great brand. I mean, look how cute this is. So they also have some holiday sets that are just super cute, and this is a really nice set for $72. So if your price point is between the $60 to $80 range, this is a great option as well. So this has 3 of the cleansing balms. There's the Pro Collagen Rose, Pro Collagen Regular, and the Pro Collagen Bloom. So these are treatment cleansing balms because they have a bunch of ingredients in them that are actually really good for the skin. And this is another amazing makeup removing product, but this one is a little bit more high end, a little bit more fancy. This one gives a little bit more, you know, bougie vibe. Look how pretty these are. So you get the regular one, you get the Pro Collagen Rose, and then you get the regular cleansing balm. And these are also really great. They sent this to me before, and I love these for removing makeup. These are a little bit more hydrating, so that's why I recommend them for older skin, for mature skin. So this would be a great gift for an older woman. So if you are in the $80 to $100 range, here's another option. This is the Dynamic Resurfacing Radiant Collection. So this has the Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Wash plus the Resurfacing Facial Pads. So if you're someone who takes your skincare very seriously, this is what you want. I love the way this comes in a beautiful box. So again, you're not only paying for the product, but you're also paying for all this beautiful pre-packaging situation. Like, look how beautiful this box is. It opens like a Christmas storybook. And you could write a little note inside here. This book belongs to, and you could write a beautiful Merry Christmas. It's just a very special packaging. So this is definitely for a more bougie, upscale gift giver. And then this is for the people who have no budget or really want to go all out for the person that they're shopping for. And this is the AMIKA Smooth Talker set. So this is everything that you get in this set. This is the like little cardboard outer sleeve for this box. So you get the Smooth Talker hairbrush, and then you get 4 products, and you get the same dry shampoo we talked about before. And I love how big this box is. I mean, who wouldn't want a box this beautiful? You wouldn't even have to really like wrap this. You could put some beautiful bows on this and just like a beautiful little like to Merry Christmas blah blah blah. And I think this would make a beautiful gift to sit under the tree. So this is actually $150, but it's on sale at Sephora right now for $112, and it is a $218 value, and you can use Klarna or Afterpay to buy it. So if you have more of a budget and you want to splurge a little bit, this would be a great option. And it has 5-star reviews on Sephora. So I haven't tried it yet, so I don't want to give you guys a false review, but this is a really great option for someone who's been looking for some new hair tools, or maybe they struggle with frizzy hair, or you just want to surprise them with a really nice gift. Hair tool, and then this is all the products inside. So it's a very hefty, very nice gift, and I am so excited to try this myself. Let me know if you guys want to see a tutorial or a review using this. I might do it on Instagram Reels or TikTok. Let me know if you guys want to see me using this, because I am so excited to try it. I think this makes a great gift, and like I said, it's on sale right now. Links to everything I showed you guys will be in the description, so grab it while it's on sale. And if you can use my links, that would really help. I make a small commission. They're affiliate links, but I'm not paid to recommend these products, but it's a great way to help support me for free. In here you get the Bond shampoo, the Bond conditioner, instant shine mask. You also get a shine spray and the dry shampoo. So literally everything you need to do your full hair. And last but not least, I think one of the best gifts to give for the really girly glam girls who love makeup and love holiday season is anything from Too Faced. So every year Too Faced is known for coming out with these really beautiful glam and girly holiday collections. This is the one from this year, and I don't want to open it because the packaging is so pretty. This one from last year, which I love this one. This one was the Christmas Around the World. So we have Rio, Sydney, and New York City, which is where I'm from. And these were like little palettes that are inspired by the different places and how they celebrate Christmas. Last year, so freaking pretty. So they come out with these really beautiful girly collections, and this year they have the donut palette and a candy palette. Just really cute palettes. So definitely for the girl who loves pink, loves girly things. We all know that one girl, I would be her, who loves all things girly and glam. And any girl who loves all things girly and glam loves the Too Faced holiday collection. So definitely look into those. They're not too expensive. Again, they can fall in the under $50 range. So that is it for this video. I know that there's a ton of recommendations I could give you guys, but I wanted to stick to the things that I had in hand that I thought were great options, and also show some love to the brands who sent me some goodies. Again, not paid for any of this. I just really thought that a lot of these were good deals and great price points this holiday season, especially because we're all, you know, counting every dollar and pinching every penny. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, all those things, and Pinterest. I'm on Pinterest. I try to share a lot of things on Pinterest as well, so follow me there. Thank you guys so much. I love you. Stay glam. I'll see you in the next one, and Feliz Navidad. Bye. Te quiero. Besitos.